Hello, Minecraft addicts. Okay, this is a long story. I made a video. It's pretty much gonna be just like this. I already made it, but the name got screwed up somehow, and it got named ScreenFlow. Huh. So I'm kind of new to YouTube, but I know a lot about Minecraft, and I don't really know how to delete the video. And I don't know if it's possible, but I couldn't figure out a way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it there, and I put a comment there saying that don't watch it because there's a new video which is gonna be this. I'm super sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I named it what I wanted it to be named, but for some reason it got called ScreenFlow because that's what I'm using to record all my Minecraft videos. But I know it's still kind of weird. But the other video was about armor and battle strategies, which is it's gonna be the exact same thing. I got my iron. I Yeah, I got a lot of iron again. Dude, I've spent like 2 more hours trying to get all that iron. I do it just for this video. And so, if you haven't watched my other video, which I'm assuming you haven't, there's very different many types of armor, but I'm going to explain just iron armor today. Iron armor is pretty much the most used because it's the easier to find than diamond, but it's not as good as diamond. So, so if you want to make boots, this is how you make them. And then this is how you make pants. This is how you make chest piece. I almost made a minecart there. Not enough fail. And there's the head. And how you equipped it is pretty simple. You just press inventory and there'll be 4 slots. And I'll let you figure the rest out because it's not that hard. So yeah. And then the rest of the video of my other one was battle strategies. So I will be teaching you how to fight every single mob that you might come against. And the circumstances might be that you got left outside, like nighttime, and it's happened to me before, trust me. Or you like fell into a cave when you were mining or something. So I will not be demonstrating. I did demonstrate in the other video, but my other video is retarded because it got named ScreenFlow. Again, I don't know how the frick that happened, but it did. So this video, the first monster you're going to come across, and this is the hardest monster to kill successfully without getting very hurt, is the creeper. Now, if you don't know what a creeper is, basically they're they're little green things that look just like a human except they're green, and they blow up when they get close to you. Now, the only really efficient way to kill them without them blowing up is you run, hit, back up. Make sure you always back up, then run, hit, back up. Do it until they die. That is how you kill a creeper. Now the second hardest to kill for me is the skeleton archer, because they're ranged and they hurt me a lot sometimes when I can't even get to them. Now the way you kill a skeleton archer is you gotta strafe back and forth while going forward, and then when you get to him, you just don't even move. Just hit him as many times as you can until he dies, because you need to kill him quickly, because they will kill you quickly. And then the third is probably spiders. And spiders are pretty easy to kill. All you do is charge them, and you want to aim a little bit above their head because spiders have the tendency to jump all over the place, like spider monkey. So you want to aim above their head and just keep hitting. And zombies, the easiest to kill for me. All you do is charge and hit as many times until they die. I mean, zombies are super easy to kill. And here's a battle tip. This works for multiplayer and just mob killing. If you're gonna you know how if you have a shovel and you want to clear the dirt, you hold it down. You don't just click, because that won't work at all. Well, if you're in battle and you're using a sword, I suggest that you don't hold it down because you won't get as many hits. See how it's super slow right now? Well, if you click as fast as you can, you'll get like 3 times the amount of hits you normally would get. So yes, this has been my Let's Play Part 4. of the series. And reminder, if you see a video called ScreenFlow, just remember that this is the replacement for it. This is like the real video for it. The other one was the same exact thing I just did, but it got named ScreenFlow. That's the only difference. So this is Minecraft Expert signing out.